Now then, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. In this video we're checking out the Lunar Ring. So on the channel we've reviewed many smart rings, from basic NFC all the way to my latest ring, the Samsung Smart Ring, the original Samsung Smart Ring. Now Lunar Ring have sent us this ring to try out. So this is a custom ring in terms of the sizing. So we got a sizing kit. So I say custom, there's the standard sizes, but you do choose the size of ring you want, that you need. I'm a size 12, so I use it on my wedding ring finger, left hand there, and that's a size 12, so that will fit perfectly fine, hopefully, on the actual Lunar Ring itself. So in the video, we're going to unbox the ring here on the table. I'll get some close-ups, and we'll go through the basic setup in this video only. We won't go too deep into the product. I need to use the product out in terms of the activity tracking, the health monitoring, the AI health coach, fertility tracking, stress management and sleep tracking built into this ring. Now originally I got smart rings, I wanted smart rings for sleep tracking. I don't wear a watch at night and I wanted to track my sleep to see how I was sleeping, if I get enough sleep, a good sleep for example, and that's exactly what I'll be using the Lunar Ring for on a longer term basis. So we'll jump straight into it. We'll get inside this box, check out the ring. I'll get some close-ups. We'll go through the application setup, the basic setup steps, and then we'll actually do a quick summary at the end. We'll then do future follow-up videos just to confirm, maybe after a couple of weeks, what it's been like in terms of tracking my sleep and activity, etc. So hopefully it works as well as other smart rings have worked for me. I'm sure it will. It's got lots of things built in, and there's some AI elements as well built into it too. It does come in a charging case as well, which we'll see in just a moment. So I'll stop talking, let's get inside the box and check out the ring. Okay, so really simple packaging, really nice, but the experience really good. The actual product itself feels premium, feels really nice. The case itself, nice and solid, obviously nice and small, and it is a charging case as well. It does come with a USB-C to USB-C cable, a USB-C port built into the back of it, so obviously you plug that in and plug that into an outlet to charge the case, which then charges the ring itself on that little charging ring just there. So what I'll do, I'll have a quick read through this quick starter guide or this user manual, and we'll get the application set up on my phone, and then we'll show it off obviously in use and how to set it up. Just some really quick getting started steps, hopefully, just to get the ring active. I'm not sure if it's got any charge in it, for example, so I probably will plug this into a charger just to get some charging, just to make sure the battery life is okay and ready to go. So I'll get the application, we'll get things ready, and then we'll set the ring up itself. Okay, so I've got the Lunar Ring application installed on my Android mobile phone. I'll pop that over here somewhere, just so you can follow along in the application. Super simple to do, hopefully. I've got the actual case charging now. There's a light on in the inside. I've not done anything else. Let's see if this works. So let's log in. So we're going to log in. I'll use Google. So I'll use my Google account. Hopefully that will let me do it. We want it in English. Fingers crossed, it'll find the ring. There we go. So it's a silver. I've actually got the shiny silver one. I did think it'd be a more matte finish to it, but it is a shiny silver, which isn't a problem. It does look good. So it's pairing at the moment. We want to allow notifications. So I'm going to click Get Started. So I'll put my details in. So 28th of July, 1987. I'm a man. I'm 194 centimeters tall. Oof, weight at the minute I'm about 115 kilos. So I want to track activity, optimize sleep, nutrition guide, kind of everything other than fertility tracking. I'm not so bothered about that. So we're checking for a firmware update at the moment, so there is a firmware update. Right, okay, so we'll see how long this takes. I won't obviously leave this on screen, so you've got to watch it. So we'll be back in a second once the update is completed. Okay, we're back. Setting up the device. It took about a minute or so to update. We're all done. Let's go. So we've got some kind of home screen here, so we can enable Google Fit access, which is cool. We won't do that at the moment. We've got enable Find My Ring, so you can do Find My Ring for finding it if you lost it perhaps or misplaced it, for example. What else have we got in here? Got some general kind of activity elements in here. So yeah, I guess once you start using this a little bit more, you'll probably see more information appear on this home screen. So sleep, we've also done no sleep yet, so I can't really review this. As I mentioned, I will be doing a future kind of update video in a couple of weeks probably, just to confirm my initial findings with the ring. So we've got sleep, readiness, activity. None of this obviously I've done because I've not done any activity yet. So the main thing I want to see is just the battery life at the moment. So the ring is on 100%, the charging case is on 50%. So we can safely take the ring out. I wanted to make sure that was fully charged and put the ring on. So I'll get some close-ups of that, but you can hopefully see that just there, the actual ring itself. Compared to my original wedding ring and the Samsung ring, it's more of a shiny metal. It's a little bit wider than the Samsung ring as well. I'll probably get a side-by-side just to show that off, just to kind of give you an idea of that. So there's not much more I want to cover in this video really. We've done a simple unboxing of the Lunar ring, got things set up, which you saw took a matter of minutes in the application, as you would hope and expect nowadays in terms of applications. We're in the application, you can see it's connected, you can see the different functions built into here, the different connectivity options with Google Fit, for example. There may be other ones as well that we can connect to other third-party services. I will need to check that out, just see if we can work that out in terms of other applications we could link up to. So yeah, first impressions, very impressed. Packaging is good, the ring quality seems brilliant, the case itself is really funky. So far, no problems, no issues, but obviously time will tell in terms of how good the product is over a couple of weeks. So we're all done on this initial unboxing first impressions video. I would say no surprises, as you would expect. Seems a super good quality product in terms of the actual unboxing, charging case, ring, as I've mentioned a couple of times now. So hopefully you've liked the video. It's at least been informative in terms of a close-up, kind of just to show you the product itself, that setup, initial setup anyway of the actual ring. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike, and let me know in the comment section why. Any questions about the ring, what I've covered on this video, or what I've not covered on this video, drop it into the comment section. I will reply to all questions and comments, and I will build any kind of questions about follow-up into the future video. So if there's anything you want me to cover off in a future video in terms of its use, drop that into the comment section. I will make sure I'll cover that in the future video, just to ensure any questions are answered. And if you want to follow the Huson DIY channel for more videos on the Lunar ring, but other product reviews, tech reviews, and much, much more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.